How to use Try Home Insurance Denmark properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Try Home Insurance is a leading provider in Denmark, but many homeowners make mistakes that reduce protection or increase costs. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. A common mistake is underestimating coverage. Rising construction costs and home improvements mean your policy might not fully cover rebuilding your home or replacing belongings. Regularly review your sums insured and adjust for renovations or valuable new items. Neglecting liability protection is another trap. Try policies include personal liability coverage, but lowering limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is a frequent mistake. Moving, upgrading your home, or acquiring new items can change coverage needs. Not notifying Try may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also miss out on discounts. Try offers savings for bundle policies, approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Overlooking these opportunities can cost hundreds per year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and maintain clear communication with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Try Home Insurance Denmark. Ensure coverage matches your home's true value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and protects both your home and peace of mind.